Punishing children is a temporary fix, but repairing after you've snapped is what actually builds trust over time. There are moments where your child is stressed, you're stressed, and you can feel yourself about to react, or you already have. I tell my child the truth. I need a minute. Then I briefly step into another room, take a few breaths, and let my body calm down. I'm getting overwhelmed. I'm going to take 1 minute to calm down, and then I'll come back. And then I actually come back and we try again. Kids appreciate honesty. It also shows them that taking space to regulate is normal and it's allowed. You're not abandoning them and you're not escalating. You're choosing to calm your body so that you can be the steady one again. It's simple, but it's powerful. Name it, take a minute, breathe, return, and repair.